First, this is a true full-screen display. They used BOE's X10 luminous material, and honestly, the first time I saw this screen, I really felt the display quality had improved a lot. They even added a display enhancement mode in the settings. So once you turn it on, the brightness, color saturation, and contrast all look better. It does use a bit more power, but honestly, for a gaming phone, having a better display seems way more important, right? As for the screen, it has a 144Hz high refresh rate, and you'll notice that games like Valorant and League of Legends, Wild Rift are both optimized for it. And as everyone knows, I really like playing racing games, and this time they've made a really important update. They've put a lot of thought into the touch controls. If you play games, you know just how valuable that is. The second point is the appearance. Some people might ask, what does the look of the phone have to do with the gaming experience? Bro, it just looks cool. When I take it out, people immediately think, whoa, this kid must be really good at gaming. Everyone talks about the lights, they say it boosts performance by 300%. The third point is the feel in your hand. No matter if it's the camera module, flash, or fan on the back, they don't stick out from the back panel. When you touch it, it's completely flat, just like the front. The fourth point is the speakers and vibration.
Let me. With you and me.
Challenge. Of course, besides the external speaker, this 3.5mm headphone jack has always been there. The fifth point is definitely the battery. This year's RedMagic also comes with an ultra-large battery. Even with the 11 Pro having water cooling added, it still packs a massive 7,500 mAh battery. And it comes with 120-watt wired and 80-watt wireless fast charging. Is durability. That's right, this generation of RedMagic is also waterproof. You can even try turning on the fan and blowing bubbles underwater. As for the shoulder buttons, the super handy gaming mode, it's almost like having a physical cheat device. These features are all here.